hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to take a second here to talk to you about referrals and how it works. So referral is really simple. All it really means is that you're referring or recommending me to your family, friends, anyone basically that you're working with. Could be client as well, as their agent in Barbados if you're looking to purchase here, right? So if it is that you recommend someone to me and it ends up going to a sale to completion, then that is a successful referral and you can earn some extra moolah in that sense. You would have a document beforehand, of course, signed off an agreement, and you would see exactly how much you would be making depending on the price point of the property. For referrals, I go no lower than $300,000 US. Just because this is where the market is and this is where my market starts, right? So 300,000 US and up, it would be my suggestion if you do think you have a client, friend, family, whatever it is that you would like to recommend to me. And that's it. So if you would like to get more information about the referral setup, or even just looking at the agreement to get a better understanding, just email me at travel@inspiredbythecaribbean.com and I would be able to respond to you from there. Thank you so much. Bye.